for the multiplication property of inequality, it says if we have some number less than another number and C is positive, the thing that we're going to be multiplying both sides by, if it's positive, then we still have a true statement. A times C is still less than B times C. And the same thing is true for division. A divided by C is still less than B divided by C. Okay, as an example, I have 2 is less than 3. Okay, so if I multiply both sides by the same number, and here I multiplied both by positive 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, 8 is less than 12. So we still have a true statement. Okay, but we have a little bit different situation when that number, C, is negative. If A is less than B and C is negative, then A times C, notice we've flipped the sign over. It was less than, now it's greater than. A times C is greater than B times C, and A divided by C is greater than B divided by C. If we multiply or divide by a negative number, we must flip the sign, and here's the reason why. If we start out again with 2 is less than 3 and we multiply both sides by negative 4, you see that what we get on this side is negative 8 and what we get on this side is negative 12. That's not a true statement. Negative 8 is not less than negative 12. On the number line, here's negative 8 and negative 12 is to the left. Anything to the left of this number is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So we have to flip our sign. Negative 8 is greater than negative 12. Okay, so let's try a few examples. We have x over 2, or x divided by 2 is greater than 6. So we're going to cancel the 2 by multiplying on both sides by 2. And we are left with x is greater than 6 times 2 is 12. And so on our number line, number 12 is a critical number, so we're going to use an open dot. Since there's no equal sign here, we're going to use an open dot. And the things that are greater than 12 would be to the right of it. Excuse me. Okay, here's another example. We have negative 3x is greater than 6. We need to make the negative 3 cancel, so we're going to divide on both sides by negative 3. And that's going to leave us with our x. When we divide by the negative number, we have to flip our sign. So it was greater than, now it's less than. 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. That's our critical number, so at negative 2 we're going to plot an open dot, and then the things that are less would be to the left.